Greetings, everyone. Welcome to Dance Beyond Parkinson's. I'm Rochelle Smith-Stallman. Thank you so much for joining me this evening. We're going to go through a really fun dance. It has a little bit of a gypsy feel to it. But before we start, I want you to make sure that the space around you is clear. You know that you can always choose to sit or stand. And if you're sitting, make sure you're in a really sturdy chair without any arms on it. And we're ready to have some fun. Here we go. Here we go. Little sway side to side. Little teeny tiny sway. And make it bigger when you're ready. And you can play around with that. Tiny or big. Tiny or big. And when you're ready, I want you to add some arms. We can make it small or big. So nice. Let's bring it front. Now, if you want, you can lift your bottom off the chair a little bit. Maybe a little more. Ha! Maybe you want to stand up all the way. Maybe just a little bit. Or maybe you just want to stay seated, and that's fine. Woo! It's kind of fun to do with a lot of people because everybody's going up and down at different times, kind of like a merry-go-round. Woo! Yeah, so good. Now just give me some splashes here. What if we did a splash? We go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. A splash. 2. All over. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, and a 1, 2. How about shoulders in 3? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and a 1, 2. You can add your feet here. I'm pressing into the floor. Oh yeah. 2, 1, 2, 3. Let's do some pushes. In 3. We go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and watch where you're going. And a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Oh, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, really play here. You can play with the space. Really touch it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Oh, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and a 1. 2, 1, 2, 3, and a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. So good. Big hug, coming down. Hold it here. Coming up, just like you're taking your shirt off. Woo! And bring it down. Oh yeah, I think that's enough for tonight. Thank you so much for joining me. Wishing you wonderful holidays, a fabulous weekend, and I will see you soon. Take care, everybody, and let's dance on out of here. Bye-bye.